The heck? Wait a second. I'm legit pissed. That shade sucked. Today we're in for something potentially fun. I'm gonna be picking my makeup blindfolded. But not only that, I'm picking this makeup out of my unused PR samples that brands have sent me over the years. These are products that I've accumulated that I just never got around to testing. It's gonna be a major wild card look. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miranda. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things budget beauty. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. All right, I've got my handy dandy blindfold. Let's go choose some makeup. All right, the first drawer of PR samples that I've pulled out is full of foundations. I believe there are a few concealers in here too. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's probably Covergirl. That's what this should be, like a blindfold guess the makeup challenge. Okay, interesting. Ooh, Kokie Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna grab the other one that they sent me just in case this first one doesn't match. All right, next up we have my drawer of brow PR samples. This I'm nervous about because I have all sorts of colors. Ooh. Oh, Karity brow goals. So this is from kind of an indie beauty brand called Karity. They're pretty popular on social media. Okay, eyeshadow palette drawer. I'm scared. The way that I have this drawer set up, all the palettes are kind of stacked. I'm gonna dump them out onto the carpet just so that way it's a little more vague. Okay, blindfold on. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Ooh, we have BH Cosmetics Beautiful in Barcelona. Oh man, now I gotta clean up all these palettes. Moving on to my eyeliner drawer. Now, if I thought that palettes were scary, this is probably even more scary. There's a lot of color in here, there's a lot of glitter in here. Wish me luck. Ooh, silver eyeliner. Okay. Next up we have mascara. Now this drawer is a little interesting because there are a lot of duplicates in this drawer, and this is probably my drawer with the biggest range of brands. We've picked all drugstore or affordable products so far, so I wouldn't be surprised if we ended up with a prestige mascara. Wait, is this one or two? Ooh, this feels fancy already. Let's see. Ooh, Urban Decay Perversion. Okay, so my contour bronzer drawer is really sad right now. So this is another one I'm just gonna dump out in front of me and then just point at the one that I'm gonna use. I got the Pixi Natural Contour Powder. This is a backup of one that I already have open and love and use. I'm gonna do the same method with my blush PR samples, dumping them out and pointing. Ooh, we have an AOA Studio Perfect Blush from shopmissa.com. Here we go with the highlighters. Covergirl truBlend Super Stunner. And finally, topping the look off with a lipstick. This drawer is out of control. Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. Let's put it on. All right, let's get started. I'm actually very excited to try this Kokie foundation. Gotta say, this packaging feels very prestige. Oh. Ooh. There's a strong fragrance I'm getting. It smells fruity. Okay, surprisingly enough, I thought this was gonna be too light, but it's like a perfect skin match. At least right now, since I haven't left the house in a month and a half. Okay, the finish is actually really pretty just as a first impression. Now, I don't know if I would say this is full coverage in one layer. I have some pretty stubborn dark spots left over from my period breakouts, which I think I'm gonna have to go over, but it's definitely not heavy for how much coverage we do have. Okay, next up we have the Brow Goals pencil from Karity. Karity is sort of like a social media makeup brand. They're not sold in stores to my knowledge. Oh my gosh, this is like a huge pencil. I was really expecting it to be a lot thinner. Oh, what is this? Okay, wait, this is a 3-in-1 brow pencil, powder, and brush. What's the powder? Oh, it's literally brow powder. Whoa, what? Okay, so let's go in with the pencil. Now I am already expecting this to be a little bit warmer than I would typically want my brows to be now that I have black hair. I'm not a huge fan of these like triangular wedge-like pencils. I just feel like I don't have as much control as with a very thin fine tip pencil, because after you use it for the first time, they sort of dull. They never get that sharp edge back. Okay, so I'm gonna carve out the general shape of the brow, and then I think I wanna try the powder situation. It's like a little dabber. Very interesting. This is actually kind of cool because you get the definition from the pencil, but you get more of a thickening sort of natural fullness with the powder. Quickly gonna prime my eyes with my MAC paint pot. All right, diving into the eyeshadow palette that I chose blindfolded. This is the BH Cosmetics Beautiful in Barcelona palette. Definitely smoky vibes going on off the bat. Also, in general, very cool toned, a heavy lean into blue. All right, I'm gonna lay down La Rambla as my base shade. I'm gonna go into Dulce and use that as my transition shade. Really don't know where I'm going with this, so hopefully it works out. Oh, I also have that silver eyeliner I need to use. I'm gonna go into Spain and use that as my crease shade. Ooh, that's a pretty burgundy. Maybe I've been like completely sleeping on this palette. I also love that even though these are small palettes, they have mirrors inside. It just makes it so much easier to work with. I really wanna go into this flamenco shade because it's just calling to me. Do I just put it all over the lid? We'll go for like a major smoky eye. Oh my gosh. I can't really tell what shade this is. It's like a black filled with teal glitter. The glitter is not as packed as it looks in the pan. I'm getting a little bit more of a black moment than I am a teal glitter moment. I mean, in the pan, it looks like we might be getting, you know, an opaque shimmer moment, but I should try them with my fingers and see if that helps. Yep. Look at that difference. Now, even with my finger, it's not as glittery as I would hope, and getting a lot more fallout using the finger as well. I'm gonna blend out the edges of the black with Spain, which was our crease shade. Wait a second, what the heck? Wait a second. So I started blending this and I noticed that like all of the glitter that was on top of the black is now gone, and I literally just have a black matte eye. So I think the bristles from this blending brush as I was going into blend just kind of swept away all the glitter. What the heck? Oh my God, that is crazy. I'm blending out the edge and all the glitter is falling off my lid. I'm so sad. Also, I'm gonna definitely have to redo my foundation. So now I've just completely got this matte black eye going on. Looks like I'm a part of the black parade. Did nobody freaking test this shade before they put it in the palette? All right, we're gonna try to salvage this best we can, but I literally look like Gerard Way right now. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go into Enchanting, which is sort of like a shimmery pink. See what we can do here. I don't know how the heck to salvage this. Oh my gosh, I'm legit pissed. I still want to pop a blue, so I'm gonna go into Mediterranean and pop that on the lid as well. Okay, well that's something. And quickly gonna add some foundation back to my under eye area. I will say that this foundation's layering really nicely, even though it had mostly dried down already. All right, finally I'm gonna highlight with Getaway right under the brow. Ooh, that is a gorgeous color. Favorite shade. Ooh, I want that in a face highlight. All right, we are done with this shadow. I mean, that threw me for a loop. Now let's move on to this silver liner. So this is the Covergirl Full Spectrum Defining Moment All Day Eyeliner in silver. And for this, I'm gonna be using it in my inner corner. Ooh, that's intense. I'm gonna kind of pat it, blend a little bit. Let's take this a little step further. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in my lower waterline. You know, the more I look at this eye, the more I'm digging it. Curl the lashes. All right, pretty excited to use the Urban Decay Perversion mascara for the first time. This is the only non-drugstore, non-budget beauty product that I picked. This is a hefty tube. Let's go for it. I don't like it. I'm not getting the same results that they show on the box, that's for sure. It just kind of feels like a heavy and wet formula. Uh-oh, this one's getting spidery. Gonna try to salvage it with my Tweezerman lash comb. This helps separate clumped up lashes. Okay, that helped a little bit, but still definitely not my favorite mascara I've ever tried, especially from Urban Decay. The thing is now that I've combed through with the Tweezerman lash comb, I actually do like how my lashes look, but the fact of the matter is I had to go and use an extra tool to fix my lashes. I swear that Tweezerman lash comb though, that is a staple tool in my makeup routine. I'll leave the link for it below. So blindfolded, I did pick out a product that I already use in my collection, the Pixi Natural Contour Powder. I've been using this for years. It really adds a nice natural looking contour, but you can build it up so that it's strong and noticeable. What did I choose for blush? Oh yeah, the little AOA Perfect blush from shopmissa.com. This is like still shrink wrapped. So this is in the shade Looker, and this is kind of a vibrant berry shade. So let's just kind of dot it on a little bit. Yeah, that's pigmented. I hardly had any on my brush. And I think like most of the products in the AOA line, this blush is only $1. So far, so good. It's pretty and very pigmented. I am hardly tapping it into the pan and onto the face. All right, for highlight, we have the Covergirl truBlend Super Stunner Hyper Glow. This is in the shade Rose Quartz. Let's see how this goes. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I think this might be a little too dark for my skin tone. I think we can make it work if I blend it into the blush well enough. So this one has a lot of that pink pigment to it. I would almost classify this more of like a luminous blush than just a highlighter, but we're making it work. That looks okay. Boy, am I glad that I picked a neutral color for my lips blindfolded. This is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Forever. Ooh. This is like a My Lips but better color. I love. These smell like candy. They kind of have this whipped consistency. It's definitely not a liquid lipstick. It's more of like a moussey formula. How did glitter get on my freaking forehead? That shade sucked. All right, y'all, we did the damn thing. Since most of our routines have been disrupted, I've been a little bit stumped on what kind of content to create in the coming weeks, so leave me your best video idea in the comments below. Today's shout out goes to Michelle. Thanks for being a member of the Slashed Squad. And join me over in this video next where I do a full face of makeup using my least used products. I'll see you over there. Bye.